Hey guys, it's been a minute. Maybe it's been a month since we've done a daily, but it's another Monday at Revival. We're gonna try to get back on doing some more dailies. Okay, so we're doing something really cool today. We're actually doing a few things that are cool today. Right now, Chris Davis is stepping on top of a table for dramatic effect. That's not it at all, is it? Chris is working here with our newest shop manager. No, I'm just kidding. This is Nick. Nick, say hi to the camera.
Yellow.
And we're working on the latest bike that we've been working on for quite some time, or the latest bike to finish. This is 3 years in the making. This is a completely custom Ducati based around a Monster 1100 motor, but essentially every single piece on it is custom. So we're doing final assembly with custom triples, custom frame, custom headset. We got a full custom swing arm they're about to install. If you guys haven't seen this, it looks really great polished now, by the way. And then if you look over here on the table, the full custom dash with a custom gauge, Öhlins front forks, and all these polished bits. I mean, this piece specifically, the shifters and brakes are all custom CNC aluminum machine stuff. The handlebars, this piece alone, you guys maybe have seen it in a couple dailies, but the handlebars slash triple clamp slash brake master holder slash everything's all one piece. We've got the rear brake carrier, the custom rear brake caliper, Öhlins shocks in the rear, and of course our full custom brake caliper that we designed and built as well. It should be pretty much together today. We're going to get it running and ride it, and then do final paint work on it, and go out with the client. And over here, you'll find some more. There's some more bits of that bike. We've got the full custom exhaust, custom intake manifolds. Well, actually, these are just velocity stacks. And the body work for this bike, which is chilling right here. So it's a full unibody. Obviously, this is going to go to paint, but it's a full unibody construction. Most of you guys have seen this, but to see what's made of this, or what this is made of, it's pretty cool. There's a lot of pieces that went into this. Front fairing, front fender, all of this beat by Andy, custom metal fabricated here in-house. So we're excited about this project. By far the most complex thing we've ever done, and the most expensive budget of any motorcycle we've ever built. And then today, here's what I'm doing. This is my 1968 Jaguar E-type Series 1.5. I did a mechanical restoration on this car like 14 years ago myself, and it's been sitting for a really long time. And the rear calipers, as you can see, are inboard, which means they're right next to the differential. They're not outboard out here, which will make them super easy to service. But to get these off, I legitimately have to pull the entire rear differential apart to get to it, or the rear suspension set. So I'm going to pull this one unit out, this whole unit as a set unit, pull it down on the ground, clean it out, pull the rear brake calipers off, go ahead and service the differential while I've got it apart, and hopefully put it back together so that we can pull in another cool automotive project that we're working on. We need the space. It's been sitting here long enough, and I'd like to drive the damn thing. It's been way too long. One of the best, coolest things about an E-type Jag, and any of the Jaguars from this era, from the 60s, all the way into the 80s and 90s, use this same independent rear suspension setup with the brakes inboard and everything else outboard with huge half shafts. It's just a kick-ass setup. Again, it's time to come out after 15 years. Anyway, all right, so we'll give you an update on that. We'll have it running again soon. All right, thanks. Go away.